Welcome to Datagrid's User Account and App License tutorial. Effortlessly manage your account's licensed users through the User Account interface. Here's how to get started. Navigate to the User Accounts page by hovering over Profile in the main menu on the left and selecting User Accounts. Utilize the drop-down quantity selector at the top of the page to customize the number of licenses displayed per page according to your preference. The top row provides a convenient filter option, allowing you to refine your display based on specific criteria. Activate the checkbox on the left to enable the green buttons located at the bottom left corner, enabling functions such as Enable, Disable, and Delete. Take advantage of the 4 buttons located on the right of each license entry: Edit, Grant Industry Access, Assign a new license, Assign user to a different user group. Find ease in navigation with the page navigator situated at the bottom right, especially when reviewing multiple pages of user accounts. Moving on to the App Licenses page, hover over Profile and select App Licenses. With this page, you can assign and revoke licenses with ease. This is handy when you want to use temporary service contractors. You will find filtering buttons on the top right, Available, Assigned, and Expired, as well as an Expire Within button with a week selector to see what license expirations are upcoming. The top row provides a convenient filter option, allowing you to refine your display based on specific criteria. The checkbox on the left activates the green buttons on the bottom left: Assign, Revoke, and Delete. You may also use the green button to the right on each line to assign that license to a user. Simplify your license management process and stay organized with the App Licenses page. Thank you for exploring Datagrid's User Account and App License tutorial. For more insights and updates on our platform's functionalities, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.